Minister of State for Home Kiren Rijiju, clarifying the government's stand on the Moga case, said that he will not like to comment on the Moga episode in hashtag. He said he's waiting for a report based on which concrete action will be taken. The comment comes at a time when the Punjab and Haryana High Court has taken cognizance of a letter written to it on the Moga bus molestation case where a 13-year-old died. Taking note of the letter written by a senior citizen, the High Court directed it to be placed before the bench hearing petitions filed in public interest.
We would not like to comment on the steps being taken by the Punjab government. But once we receive the report and if we feel that appropriate action is not being taken, then necessary advisories or suggestions or whatever is necessary will be given. But right now on an event or an issue which is directly in the domain of the state government, it is not proper for the Ministry of Home Affairs at the centre to react.
Meanwhile, speaking on a day when the UNSC has said that it will take up the Lakhvi release issue in its next meeting, which is slated to take place few days from now. Rijiju didn't mince his words in saying that India had categorically stated that release of Lakhvi was not acceptable to this side of the fence.
The whole global community is united in the fight against terrorism. Any act by Pakistan which is defying the international approach will be condemned by all. And the indication which has come from the United Nations that they will be having words with Pakistan in the matter related to release of Lakhvi is a welcome step for us because we have made our point very clearly. We have sent message to the Pakistan also that India is not happy with the way this case is being handled by Pakistan.
Powered by NNIS.